Run, jump, swim, or even doggy paddle, it's pool time. And to enhance your pool experience and achieve the ultimate staycation experience, we're introducing the Aiper Scuba N1, a complete cleaning experience right out of the box. The Scuba Series powerful cleaner is packed with user-friendly features, self-parking technology, and so much more to keep your pool spotless year-round. Let's charge our Scuba N1. When the LED indicator's light is solid, you're fully powered and ready to clean. Choose the cleaning job that's right for your pool each time with one of 4 different pre-programmed cleaning modes. The Scuba N1's dual-active brushes make easy work of the dirt and debris on your pool floor, while filtering and cleaning an impressive 80 gallons per minute of your pool's water. And our new, uniquely designed Caterpillar treads make easy work of navigating your pool, including any obstacles, while also providing superior traction when climbing and cleaning your pool walls and waterline. Eco Mode is a new feature that allows you to achieve a continuous clean. When selecting Eco Mode, you'll leave your Scuba N1 in your pool, where it will clean your pool floor every 48 hours for 45 minutes throughout the week. And the Scuba N1 is ultra portable and easy to retrieve thanks to its specially designed waterproofing system. Maintenance is simple. Remove the debris bin from your device, empty it out into a trash bin, rinse, and you're all set. The Aiper Scuba N1, on track to perform.